Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or your case because it may cause the interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when you've got a case right here, then if it covers even a part of the screen, then as you guys can see, I'm covering a part of the screen now, and now I cannot use my finger to actually move around it. So that's why you guys need to remove your case if it covers even a tiny bit of your screen. Now I'm not covering it, but when I press it on the screen exactly, then I just won't be able to use that. So after that, after removing the screen protector, if that's the case, then not the screen protector, but the case, let's move on to the screen protector. So when the screen protector is poorly applied, misaligned, then if it's also a bad quality one, then that might cause the issues. So if this is the case for the screen protector, then you might want to remove it. After that, what you guys can do is grab a cloth or a microfiber cloth. It doesn't matter. You just have to get rid of moisture or debris that might be on your screen. If it's clean, then I would also recommend cleaning it. But if it's not, then of course it's necessary to do that. So now let's give it a few swipes. Our screen should look perfect. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over and update your software. So go to the settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see system and updates, and here select the software update. Now let's click check for updates. Sometimes it just checks for updates automatically, so just like now. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, so that means I do not have any upgrades to do. But if you do have any updates, then I recommend you guys do them. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.